Yo. What's up, guys? The Evo is finally back, but today we're going to start off today's video with fixing the Prius's front bumper. So, I bought the Prius from CARMAX, and CARMAX fixes issues like paint before they sell it so that the car looks as good as possible, but their paint sucks. I don't know if it's because their paint sucks or if they just didn't do any base coat or anything, but this is the front bumper. It definitely looks a little bit different and discolored from the rest of the car, but I noticed this guy right here, obviously, that is paint lifting. So I'm gonna go fix that by wrapping over it. Not really wrap, but I'm gonna be putting a Supreme sticker over this dude. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this out where it's lifting. I'm gonna peel it all off, and I'm gonna slap the Supreme sticker on it. I mean, it'll be a little obvious, but see this? This is proof that they just kind of suck at painting too. And I had a ton of overspray on the headlights that I scratched off, etc. But yeah, that's enough of explaining what we're doing. So we're gonna do real quick. It is late, but I had to take a nap after work. We're gonna knock that out right now. So here it is, authentic Supreme. Alright, there it is. That's as much as I'm gonna cut off. It kind of kept lifting as I was pulling it off, but I think it came out good. I wanted to make it as clean as possible, so, you know, didn't want to throw off too many lines. The Supreme sticker is a different red, but here, let's go throw this thing on. I'm gonna go clean the surface real quick, and we'll go slap the sticker on. It's longer than I thought. Should we just use the soap? Let's just go for it. Well, at least it's flat. There we have it. Boom, so pretty solid. Yeah, I F with it. Much better. Hopefully it doesn't happen to any other spots on this bumper, but Prius front end looks good again. That's nice and flat again, because that stuff was just gonna keep spreading. Even when I cut it off, it was lifting. But let's get to today's video. Let's get it. Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a X-Gen Civic here in the garage. Check it out. And today we are going to be knocking out a full rear diffuser on this LX. This one has a custom exhaust. So it's gonna be a little intense because we need to use the hanging points that I want to use. So that's kind of behind the pipe, so we need to figure it out. Shouldn't be too bad. It's gonna be a little process, and I'm pretty excited. It should look really good. So I've already done a front splitter on this in the past, and he came back for the rear diffuser. No sides though, but it's gonna look dope. He does drive for Lyft, so it's pretty sick seeing somebody that mods his Lyft car. That's pretty dope. But I need to put down these jacks first and get this car up in the air. Oh, and also the last time I had a car in the garage on the lift, one of my neighbors felt like ratting me out to the HOA. So we need to close the garage from now on because they flagged me for working on the car with the garage open. I made sure we had as much room as possible. These are long cars, and I angled this guy in my garage so I could have maximum room in the back so I could do everything that I need to do with the garage closed, as well as lift up the car. Just gotta play the game, boys. Just gotta play the game. Let's go close this garage. Let there be light. Boom. All right, there we go. Let's get it. So we got the car lifted, and now I'm just taking measurements. The hardest part of building a rear diffuser is making sure that you clear the exhaust, because If they're touching, you're gonna hear it, and it's gonna suck. And it'll probably melt if you're using the same material as mine, but of course if it's metal, you don't need to worry as much, but you'd hear it. So, now I'm just gonna go figure out everything, how I want it to sit, how I want it to look. I'm gonna go from there. Yo, I think we're ready. I got everything. I finally got this center mounted up. Check it out, check it out. So the center is the main portion that's gonna support the whole design really. And you can see here, I got a hanger right there, hanger right there. It's pretty sturdy, but I'm gonna brace it with the fins that I'm gonna add on here to line up with this. And adding 2 fins on the outside, gonna have a panel that goes underneath the exhaust, comes up to here, and then it's gonna flare out over to this side, and then have an extra one over there. So really digging the idea, design. The owner approved of it, so that's what we're going for. I think it's gonna work out just fine. These lifts coming in clutch. This is making it so much easier. I'm so used to doing this when I'm laying on the floor and 100% on the ground. The car is not lifted. So this is different. This is really exciting, and I'm just hyped that it's going so much smoother than it normally would. I'm even chilling, watching my TV. Of course, I'm watching TV off the iPhone. You can see right there's a plug, so it's not playing, but yeah, super easy. Didn't time lapse nothing, because I was just chilling the whole time. But yeah, I gotta go drop the wife off at work, and then we'll be back on it, and I'm gonna go build this side first. I'll make the fin underneath, up, and then out to that side. So it's going well, it's going well. This is a funky exhaust nonetheless. So I just made the diffuser go right over there. I couldn't really get into that pocket, but over here I'll try to make it get all the way forward to here. So at least this side under here is pretty blocked off. So it's a little bit better. You know, I kind of just go off a whim when it comes to my designs. So if you guys are like, yo, that doesn't work, I mean, none of this is tested, and I just try to go off common sense and what I think looks best. So if you guys were thinking that, you just had to say. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, what's up? We are back from dropping off the wife. Now we need to go ahead and finish this side and build everything. So it's just a few more fins, and what do you know? We have been working on it for about an hour, actually. I got a little motivated, so sorry I wasn't recording, because when you record and build, for some reason it takes a lot longer. But yeah, we got that fin in, we got this fin. I'm gonna make it complement this curvature right here. So as you can see, I have drawn that silver line back there, and it's gonna flare out a little bit. It's gonna flow into this fin that's gonna go majority of the way, and then this fin is gonna go all the way over here. So should be a really cool setup. And then I'm gonna make this guy go down so you'll be able to see the back, but I need to make one big fin that goes all the way up here, and we'll be looking good. So that's all that's left. After I get this side done, I'm gonna go duplicate everything for the other side, and then build the center fins that are gonna complement these two and go down here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fins. It's gonna be nasty. This is normally like a 8+ hour build, and I'm trying to knock it out today. So I apologize for not recording everything, but let me know down below if you guys would like me to do like a do-it-yourself on how to build rear diffusers like mine. So, I mean, I won't give you all my secrets, but I'll definitely fill you in on my process. You know what I'm saying? Let me know down below if you guys would be interested in that, and maybe I'll make one. Also, if you guys are interested in anything for anything else that I make, let me know, because I'm kind of on the edge of teaching you guys how to do stuff, but I'm just debating on whether or not I want to. But to be honest, if you guys do want me to show you guys how I do it, I probably would. So let me know down below, hit that like button, and yeah, show your support. Maybe I get that for you guys. All right, let's go work some more on knocking out this rear diffuser. All right, guys, so I've got a huge piece of scrap, and I drew a little design on it. that I think I might go with. Here it is, the mock test. I think it looks really good. Just get as far as I needed to and go in about 2 inches. Yo. All right, be right back. I'm gonna cut this out. All right, here it is. Got it. Oh, hold up, I forgot these. Be right back. Dang it. All right, here it is. Piece cut out. So this is actually for the driver's side, but we'll use it for this side, for the mock-up. Check it out. Oh yeah, that's good. That is so clean, dude. I'm gonna go put these together, mount this guy up, and then we're gonna be working on the other side. So we have gotten to the point where we will be taking everything down. I can't really finish up this side because I made it for that side and I need to screw into it. I don't want to screw into this and have to screw new holes on that side. So we're gonna go finish the whole thing and then finish up mounting the sides and then build those fins, the 4 last fins that need to be built. Everything looks great, super hyped. Let's go duplicate this. This is the main guy I use. My favorite drill bit, and it just broke. So we need to go reload. Hopefully they have some at Lowe's, but this sucks and really halts the process. And Lowe's is kind of fun, so F me. Well, damn. We got another one. Cool thing is, it was faulty merchandise, so they actually let me get a free one. Hell yeah. It is legit 91 degrees though. Like, summer is a coming. And it's gonna be the first time out here in Vegas. Everybody knows summer in Vegas is no joke. We are back in the garage, but wow, it feels great in here. And being outside for a little bit, where it's 90 plus degrees, check it out. My thermometer says it is only 81 degrees. And if you guys saw my last video, I was working on the garage, modding the garage for the summer, and we insulated the door. Now, a lot of people ask me, well, one person asked me, let's not play, but one person asked me if I've noticed a reduction in temperature or heat or whatever. And actually, 10 degrees is huge. Super hyped. It feels like I could chill in here. I mean, it's only 90 degrees outside, and if it's 10 degrees less in the garage, that's pretty awesome. I also left this window open. It's just a little crack so that more airflow could go out, but it's working. Feels good in here. 10 degrees less is definitely workable, especially once we get AC in here. That's what's coming next. But let's get back in this booth and get to cutting. So we are finally to the part where I am done cleaning everything. Everything's pretty much cut out. As you can see, I do need to clean off some of these silver marks, but for the most part, the whole diffuser is complete except for the 2 outside fins. I'm gonna be doing once I'm done, and it's on the car because yeah, that's the last parts. And yeah, things are pretty good out here though. So all I'm gonna be doing now is cleaning off those little silver dots and assembling the whole thing. So that's gonna be a time lapse, and let's get started. All right guys, here we go. Here it is. It is all together except for the side fins. It is ready to be thrown onto the car and mounted. So yeah, let's go head over there. It's really not that heavy. There we go. And if you guys are wondering why this is shaped like this and doesn't go all the way forward, it's all because its exhaust is in the way. So I made it go as close to its exhaust as possible and then cover as much of the underside of the bumper as possible as well. So this is what we came up with, and yeah, let's go through it on. What am I missing? What am I missing? it's just gonna be mounted up with self-entrenched screws. Look at that, sits perfect. This is the money right here. Oh man, I can't wait to drop it onto the floor. The sides, the diffuser does not look lower than the car itself, so that was the goal. And I wanted to clear the exhaust. Yo, I'm excited. I need to drop this thing onto the floor. So this originally had a center exhaust, so it's pretty wide open right there, but he ran the dualies, and then this was trimmed off, so you know, had to work with it. But I still went ahead and followed all of those spikes. This looks really good. I just need to add one last fin and we're done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's knock it out. Dude, it is finally done. Check it out. Check it out. Yo, it's been a minute since I built one of these from scratch. I'm just super hyped. Look at the bottom. Look, the coverage, the angles are all good. Everything's lined up. Like from above, you can see this curvature is what I was going with. See that? This is the bumper line and this is the diffuser down here. Boom! From above, I wanted this guy. When you look at it from here, I wanted them to connect at the same time, the same point. Boom! Yo, check that out. I really didn't want it to stick out like crazy because he doesn't have side skirt extensions, so I wanted this to just be an extension of the bumper. We also lined that up so the curvature follows everything. I am now going to hook up the jacks again so I can drop it down, and I'm gonna pull it out and we're gonna go check it out. All right, it's getting dark. Not yet, probably sunset. So I'm gonna go pull it out real quick and we'll go check this stuff out. All right, it's time to pull it out. And I'm just wondering, he's a Lyft driver, so he requested for there to be as much clearance as possible. That's why I made it pretty slim. I'm gonna go see if it clears my driveway. All right, now we're gonna go head to a cul-de-sac right down the road and check out this car. Well, that's it. I think it came out really good. If you look at it from the side, it sits just about even with the rear of this and the front, so it really looks cool. I did make a template, so if anybody's interested in getting one of these, I know the exhaust is kind of funky and it's different, but I have the base template, so if you guys want to kind of work with the setup and adjust it to work with yours, let me know and I can make another one. So pretty happy with it. It is adjustable, kind of. I can make this part longer, more aggressive, etc. But yeah, really happy with it. Everything lines up, so it's cool. Now he's coming to go pick up the car, so we got to go head back home. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe. All right, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.